Alright, so I just had my phone repaired. Um, I don't want in. I'm happy about it. It's like I got a new phone. I like the camera of my phone. I like my phone. I didn't want to spend the money for a new one. So I got it fixed here at Wahin Mobile. Alright, and they did a good job. And they fixed my girlfriend's phone as well for a good price. He was fair to us, I think. Shopped around a little bit, so he seemed fair. Was it a good price? I don't know. I never had a phone repaired before. So I cracked the front and the back of my screen and messed up some functionality. And I paid 9,800 baht to fix my phone and my girlfriend's phone, which had a cracked screen, but all the functionality. So I think that's going to be somewhere around $300, give or take. And I don't know if that's a good price. Cheaper than buying a new phone. That's the, gonna look off in the distance here. A lot of traffic today. It's Saturday, so it's busy today. But I don't know if you can see in the distance, but that's the train station. You can take the train from here to Bangkok and perhaps some other destinations, but I've taken it from Bangkok to here to Wahin, and I found it to be a pleasant ride. You got to get the first class, you know. You got to get the first class. Is not really what you would think of in first class, but it's air conditioned, aircon they like to say here. So that one's got aircon, and that makes it a little more pleasant. It's about 3.5 hours, and you can take a nap, whatever. They serve food, they have drinks, and yeah. So this is what the downtown section of Hua Hin looks at in the daytime. This really starts to pop off at night. A lot of these businesses aren't open during the daytime, and right about the time when the sun goes down, that's when things pop off. But it doesn't stay late here. This is an older crowd, and so by midnight everything's winding down. They do it that way because it's hot as the surface of the sun. Today is about 1,000 degrees, and it's the 10th month now that I've just consistently been sweating. So you get used to it. I think that there's some benefit to it. You're releasing some toxins that you wouldn't normally release. Sweat is actually healthy. You just got to make sure to put it back, right? So I've been replacing it with beer, and I'm not sure that's going to work out well for the long term, but yeah, we'll start getting on some water here. All right, so we're like right down in the center of it. This is where the Songtao is going to let you off at nighttime. It's going to be all vendors throughout here, up and down, anything you could possibly want. Fantastic looking Thai ladies walking around by themselves. This would be a great place to meet somebody. And Songtao! Songtao!
Yeah, they say that they stop.
And now we're getting on the Songtao. I'm going to turn it off. There's people on there. And, I like to respect people's privacy. I don't want to be the jackass YouTuber. He didn't see me, baby. All right, so I'm going to turn this off. We got to catch Songtao, and we'll come back later and talk about weed shops.